just from trying to pry up the shingles. It's already causing damage. All right. They easily tear out from under, but while doing that, you can see right here, let me see if I can show you. There's a tear in the actual shingle already, just from trying to lift it up to get the shingles out. You can also see heavy creasing right here. Barely any granules left, and only part of the shingle came out because they're in such a bad shape. This one's creased just from trying to get the shingles out too. There you go. Oh, excuse me. You can see how much it's torn. These shingles, the ones above it, show you the tears just from trying.